Greetings of light and love. My name is Nubia Teixeira, and I'm here to introduce you to Mother Goddess Yoga. What is Mother Goddess Yoga? Mother Goddess Yoga is a type of yoga that is very nourishing and embracing of the divine feminine and the qualities of nature, the wisdom of the cycles of nature, the wisdom of uniqueness.
My experience with Mother Goddess Yoga has been very beautiful because it allows me to understand and look at yoga through a different lens, and it helps me deepen the connection that I have with the mother, which is something that in my personal life, like, I am missing. So to be able to connect with that through yoga is very powerful.
In Mother Goddess Yoga, we are developing bhakti to the mother, developing devotion to the mother. And I suggest that we do not look for enlightenment as much as we look for enlivenment, a way to be in love with this physical body that was given to us by the mother, to love one another, and to love nature, to love our environment, to love our planet. And through this love, develop a way to interconnect, to interrelate, and to offer our service.
Thank you so much, Nubia, for this beautiful experience of Mother Goddess Yoga. It was an opportunity to explore learning a new language and to explore yoga as a path to enlivenment and finding love and peace within. Thank you.
When I started practicing yoga, I had this question: where is she? Where is the mother? Where is the mother? So throughout my studies in the yoga philosophy and in the yoga systems, I have always been looking for, where is she?
Yesterday I practiced and did poses I hadn't done in years, and I have some physical limitations, and I knew it was because Nubia had set the space for safety in alignment with the Mother Goddess. And so I felt, oh, this isn't my body. It is my body, but it's also the goddess's body. It's hers. And so she's practicing with me, and with that I could do so much more. I could open so much more. I could explore so much more because I wasn't alone, because Mother Goddess was right with me. And Nubia, she's got a line in.
This practice, oh, here she is, hidden as Kundalini. Oh, that sadhana, here she is as the mother of yoga, Parvati Devi. And where is she here? Oh, here she comes as Prana Shakti, moving inside of the body. So throughout my journey of learning, I always had this parallel study of the mother yoga sadhana.
So as a meditation teacher, as a Dharma teacher, as a healer with people largely on the psycho-emotional level, there's tremendous softness and compassion. And then in the past, the physical practice has been kind of influenced a lot by our culture that's been a little bit kind of hard driving and masculine in its approach. Not necessarily that the mother is always soft. She gives us what she needs. But I'm leaving here with a much more deeply embodied sense of bringing the goddess into physical practice, and both for myself and for my students. And for that, I'm just eternally grateful.
And now, 34 years later, I bring to you this system, this method, this movement towards the mother in yoga, honoring the feminine in yoga as a way to connect it to nature, as a way to connect it to your essence, and as a way to connect it to your nourishing, beautiful heart, filled with enchantments, filled with altruism, filled with love.
My experience of Mother Goddess Yoga is enriching because it nurtures the soul in a way that reminds me I can take care of myself and I ought to take care of myself as I explore and grow within. Embracing the feminine energy within my own body and my being as an embodied man is something that has been really enriching in my life. And thank you so much, Nubia, for offering this. And I hope you give it a try.
I really look forward to seeing you at Omega and to share this special week and these special teachings with you.